Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant, and this is your daily turbo 5-minute update for Bitcoin. What's going on with Bitcoin, guys? Bitcoin is going down. Why? We will check it. Is it now the perfect place for a buy-in? Is this now the bottom? Or will we see a downgoing Bitcoin? We will check this together, guys. First, before we start, we all saw this big triangle going to the sideways here, and I told you guys, if we will break out to the upside of this triangle, we have a really nice target. You can see this also here on my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week, and you see it here. My inverse shoulder head shoulder pattern, I will show you soon, is 46,000 to the upside. We saw this triangle here on the 1 hour chart, and I told you guys, if we will break it to the downside, I have a target about 37,600. If you're breaking up to the upside, we have a target about 42,000. And look at this, Bitcoin broke up to the upside with a spike to the upside, down again, up again, down again, and now finally Bitcoin broke down in this triangle. And yes, this is the technical target, 37,600 for breaking down this triangle. On the downside is coming the EMA 200. You can see it, this is this yellow line here, and this is a big support here for Bitcoin. It's also measuring a little bit with this 37,600. So is this now the bottom? Okay, it's possible to go a little bit deeper now, and we will watch this now together, what's going on. Here's the MACD on the downside, blue line under the brown line, we are bearish. Okay, guys, let's go into this one. Let's check this. This is the 1 hour chart. Every candle is 1 hour, and we can play here a little bit around with Tradingview. This was a downtrend, we don't need it, we have to delete it. So the important thing now, in my opinion, guys, is to make this a parallel uptrend channel. We started with the downside here. Let me check, where is my parallel channel? Here it is. We started on the downside with this lowest point to the upside over this point, and this is now our nice working parallel channel. It is always a green one if we're going to the upside. So this is a bullish parallel channel. And now you can see it, guys, we have some space to the downside. We have really some space to the downside. Maybe if you're going down a little bit more, 37,800, this will measure also with my inverse shoulder head shoulder pattern. And you can see it, guys, this is my shoulder head shoulder pattern. We had a trend line here, we broke the trend line. This is sorry, let me check. This is not working. No, this was the trend line. This was the trend line, and we broke it to the upside. Yes, we broke it to the upside, so I have a nice target to the upside. But guys, this is for the moment not working. Why it is not working, this inverse shoulder head shoulder? Because we are for the moment under the trend line, so this shoulder head shoulder is not working anymore, and we can forget this inverse shoulder head shoulder target for 46,000. Why? We can see it now here, because we are breaking, or we broke down under this very important trend line. So forget inverse shoulder head shoulder. The next thing is my big target to the downside. The next buy-in point, the next possible buy is 37,800. Why? Because it is the bottom here of our uptrend. It is also measuring with our EMA 200, and I'm watching at this point. Maybe we will not fall so far. Let's watch this, because here is a really important point, this spike to the upside. And if we are drawing this spike to the upside with a trend line to the right side, watch this, we are now testing this last high. And this last high was this point about 38,500. So we are for the moment on this important support line here for 38,500. Maybe we spike up from here again and we see an upgoing Bitcoin. This would be very nice, but I'm waiting a little bit now. It's very interesting what's going on. Let's check these indicators. Let's check our RSI, Relative Strength Index. And guys, look at this. We are overbought, nearly overbought, not overbought, but nearly overbought. We are on 30 points. You can see it here. We are going down here. And guys, for me, very important if I'm watching at the RSI. If we are going down with the RSI like this, we have a trend line like this. As long as we are under this trend line, Bitcoin is going down again. And this is very important. We have a little space to the upside. And also, if you're watching here on Bitcoin on the upside, guys, once again, you can see the ribbon band, this green ribbon band. Here was the long position. This was a really nice point for a long position. We see a nice, or so a nice green ribbon band. And look at this here. It's now turning into a red one. Maybe if we are staying a lot of time here under this ribbon band, we will see a red ribbon band. We will see maybe a short position again. I'm waiting a little bit for this. If we can bounce up from this important line now, from 38,500, we will see maybe an upgoing Bitcoin price. Guys, the time is over. I have so much things to watch. I have so much things to say. I would like to show you the Fibonacci line and something like this, but the time is over. But guys, very quick, it's so important for me to show you this one. Let me show you very quick this one. The Fibonacci line from the highest point from Bitcoin to the downside. It is a Fibonacci retracement, and I must show you that also. So from the upside to the downside, this is the lowest point of the Fibonacci, this one. And watch this, guys, watch this. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Watch this. We are on this very important Fibonacci line, 38,200. This is a so important line, 0.236. This is a big support also. So we have now a lot of supports for Bitcoin. Fibonacci line, this line here of the last high, and a lot of things are telling us maybe we are bouncing up from here. So this is very important. The next hours, watch Bitcoin the next hours here on my live stream. It's very important. Watch it 24 hours, 7 days a week. I'm always online. Guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I have so much nice guys here in the chat. Here is Breach, here is Technically AA, here is Romeo, here is Thor, here is Wake on the Wave here, guys. So much nice guys, so much supporter. Tsar Machine, thank you very much for gifting me. A Rich Concept, thank you very much. You are my top gifter of last week. Also Cycloxide, you're also the top gifter of last week. And Subcritic also gifted here to me. So guys, thank you very much for your support. I need your support for my electricity costs and everything I have on costs here. So I will keep going on with this channel. I will keep alive. I hope I can keep alive this channel. Or sorry guys, I don't know how to say, but I will try to keep alive this channel for you guys, 24 hours, 7 days a week for a long time. I'm streaming over 1.5 years, and I hope I can stream longer for you guys. Thank you very much for your supports, guys, and keep on trading, guys. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours, BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. And guys, watch to the death cross here on the downside on my daily chart. Watch the blue line, watch the yellow line. 5 minutes are not enough time for me to tell you all the things I would like to tell you. Bye bye, guys. Have a nice time. Yours, BITI.
System activated.